Hi, my name is Karen and I'm with CK Customs PA. I'm also an admin for Cricut Help Desk Unofficial on Facebook. Today I'm going to show you how to create an offset or shadows around your text using Silhouette Studio and then bringing them into Cricut Design Space. The caveat is you need to have the paid business edition of Silhouette Studio in order to save as an SVG to use in Cricut Design Space. Let's go ahead and get started. In Silhouette Studio, go ahead and choose your text tool on the left, click onto your canvas, and write your text. You can select your text, change it to the font of your choosing. I'm going to use a gentle touch that I've previously downloaded and installed onto my computer. I'm going to click off my text and back on so that I can select it and make it larger. I'll use the Offset tool from the right side menu. It's the one that looks like a star with another star outlining it. I will click on Offset. You can then adjust your distance with the slider or by increasing the numbers over on the right. This decides how large your offset will be away from your text. Once you have it where you'd like it, go ahead and click Apply. From here, you can save your text as an SVG through File, Save As. I'm going to save to hard drive. Change your Save As type to SVG. Give it a name and save it in a location that you'll be able to locate it. Then go to Cricut Design Space. On your canvas, click Upload. Upload image, and browse for your file. Go to that same location that you saved it and find its name. Go ahead and save it in Cricut Design Space and insert it onto your canvas. You'll then see in your layers the letters that you had typed as well as your background. You can change the colors as needed, just like with any SVG. And when you're ready, click Make It to send it to your mats for cutting. Don't forget, before cutting, you'll need to attach your letters so that they stay in the same location. You may even want to weld them. I recommend ungrouping your design, selecting your letters, and click Weld. If you don't weld them, make sure you at least attach them, so when you click Make It, they'll still be laid out the same way that you had them. I hope this helped you learn how to create an offset in Silhouette Studio and bring it into Cricut Design Space. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I can also be found on Facebook at Cricut Help Desk and at CK Customs PA. Happy crafting!